Chance of rain 20%. Saturday night, mostly clear.
Eastern Daylight Time. A strong thunderstorm was located over Old Tampa.
Alert! Tune to your weather band station.
Wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots. Suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Old Tampa Bay, Howard Franklin Bridge, and Courtney Kimball Causeway. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast issued 2 p.m. Thursday.
Wait a minute.
2026 for the K, H, B.
Did we only get 2 EOMs, or am I going crazy?
Counties in Florida.